All right. There's a few more components in this cocktail that I normally mess with. There's a lot going on. It just started with matcha and gradually led me to getting kind of a little out of control. But it works. So, what do we got here? I got the matcha, pineapple, fresh ginger, and lime juice. Casamigos is our base, keeping it trendy. All right. Also, it's green, it's matcha, it's tea. Good opportunity to give it a little cannabis theme. Here I have a CBD oil that I converted the dropper top to a spritz, and we're doing a little rinse action here. So I hit it with the rinse, put all those components into the tin, hit it with some aquafaba. It's really just chickpea water. It's what canned chickpeas live in, just I guess say preserved. And it's a little funky, I'm not gonna lie. It's different. It's new to me. I haven't ever used it before, but it works. It's a good alternative to egg white. It adds aeration to the drink. It adds body. It adds that viscous mouthfeel that is creamy and complements the matcha pretty well. Since we're using that, it's gonna add a nice top frothy layer, which gives you an opportunity to use a stencil garnish approach. In this fine little handy instrument, I filled it with Angostura bitters. Allows me to hit it with the spray and give this cocktail a nice hemp leaf complemented touch. And then we got some CBD matcha macarons. Wow. Holy shit. Those things are fucking good. Holy shit. Woo! Matcha macarons are on point. Pastry deliciousness. You don't gotta do that, but it's just extra. You know, that shit's just extra on extra. This drink has been all extra. Everything about this drink is extra. So, this got ridiculous. I went to just start with matcha, and then it led to, I'm using chickpea water. I don't even know myself anymore. I don't even know who I am. I don't know where I am. This got a little out of hand, but it worked out. So, if you want a matcha drink, go ahead, mix it up. If you don't have T2 matcha, get whatever matcha you want. If you don't have these with CBD infused matcha goodness, you go ahead and you get whatever ones you have access to. If you want to make your own, make your own. If you don't have this CBD, get your own CBD, get some other CBD, whatever you want to do. Make it happen. Cheers. Our matcha chickpea CBD cocktail. Let's get to it. CBD rinse. Five sprays. Let's open up some matcha. 2 of these hefty spoonfuls. We're going in, we're doing it, we're gonna do it. Fine. Aquafaba. That's that aquafaba, that's that chickpea. Casamigos. We're gonna dry shake. Best to have a towel in case it wants to expand and try to sneak out of the tin. So many steps. Look what happened. We forgot the nice fresh pineapple. Ice it down. Second shake. Really get it. good spray.